Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to back my channel YouTube. Today I am showing you logo design process from start to finish. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start this video. First select the polygon and draw is here. Okay, rotate this. Okay, select the logo and select this portion, select the unsure tool and delete this. Okay, select the direct section tool, uncheck this dot and create this here. Okay, that's good. Remove this portion. Okay, okay, that's good. Go to object and expand. Okay, select the selection tool and create this here. Create here is okay. Select the dot and create here. Okay, that's good. Final is my layers. Now I am duplicate layers. Go to effect and select the distort transform and okay, open the window. Select this transform object and scale, stroke and effect. Okay, check this angle, select and 60. Okay, select and okay, and copy 5. Okay, that's good. Change this 60 and 40. Okay, that's good. Angle 60 and copy 5 and minus 60 and 40. Okay, that's good. Okay, select the sketch, select the shape tool, go to edit copy, go to object and expand Select the shape tool and remove this portion. Okay, that's good. Extra portion is removed. Okay, that's good. Please create here. Please careful work. This is a famous logo. Chat GPT. Okay, my logo is final. Okay, I create a background. Select the copy, cut and create the background. Okay, go to paste in place my logo. Okay, that's good. Go to object and expand this and pathfinder. Okay, that's good. My logo is ready. Okay, that's good. Go to edit copy and go to edit paste in place. Fill the white color. Type tool and company name. Chat GPT. Okay, I am going to family font and change font. Okay, that's good. Right click and create outline. Create is here. Select the logo and company name and alignment. Select copy and paste and duplicate. Okay, change the color. Okay, that's good. So guys, my logo is final. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. See you guys next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.